Even when the restaurants are closed, you can still enjoy a restaurant-worthy dinner at home. So, with that in mind, we have listed our favourite restaurants for takeaway, so you can enjoy a delicious meal tonight. At Proeflokaal Reijngoud, you can not only order a delicious meal, but also choose from 160 different types of beer. Go for a delicious hot dog or French fries from the world-famous World of Fries list. Looking for a fancy dinner? At Hotel New York, you can order a delicious 4-course menu, but also pick up an afternoon high tea, filled with chocolate, sandwiches, scones and, of course, the delicious tea. All you have to do is boil the water and enjoy. At Restaurant de Cas in Amsterdam, you can order a 4-course menu every weekend. The menu is based on the harvest of the Garden of de Cas and changes every week. Move the dishes over to your own crockery and go dining in your own house with restaurant quality food. At No Rules, you can order your own chef at home, as Chef Richard Way will come to your own house and cook a complete 5-course menu. What's brilliant about this is everything is organised for you. All you have to do is sit back and relax. Search, inspire and book directly at netherlands.welcomesyou.com.